All right, in this example, we're given a cost function. The cost is 1,000 plus 20Q. And we're asked to find marginal cost to produce the 200th unit and the average cost of producing 200 unit. So marginal cost, remember, is just a fancy name for the derivative of cost. And in this case, it's fairly straightforward. It's going to be 20. So this tells us, and it doesn't matter that we're looking at the 200th unit. And what does this actually mean? This is going to be $20 per unit. So this tells me if we were to increase production, our additional increase in cost, total cost, is going to be about $20 per unit that we increase by. So we would expect the increase in cost from going from 200 to 201 would be $20 more. Now we're also asked about average cost. And so average cost is going to be the total cost divided by how many. And we're looking in particular only at what is going on when Q equals 200. So we don't need to find the formula in general. And in this case, we're going to get 1,000 plus 20 times 200 over 200. So we get 5,000 divided by 200, and we get $25 per unit. Now the question might be, because of this, and what we just talked about, is that, so we have average cost is $25 per unit. Should we increase or decrease production? In this case, we have our marginal cost is less than our average cost. I'll write it. Now we could have memorized the facts that we just talked about in the earlier video, or we could think about if our average cost is $25, but the additional increase is only 20 for the next one, we can think our overall average as becoming less. Think again about when we're dealing with average quiz scores. Right? If we have an average of 80 and we get the next one is 75, our overall average is going to go down. So we want to increase production to reduce the overall average cost in this situation.